Got a big one. I got a big one. That was so amazing. That was so amazing, dude. Holy cow. Dude, he's big. Hot, not too cold. Yeah. If we don't get anything, I don't know what is gonna be going on. Freshy.
So you got your matching poles, I got my matching rails.
Oh yeah, there you go. Looks way different, huh, the river? Nuts. This dude, right here, it's like, well, that's even dried up. The other day, but I'm gonna take my shoes off and walk in the river. They're stacked up right here. I've seen like maybe 8 come out. All back here. Look, you can kind of see them over here next to this tree back here. I'm gonna take my shoes off and walk. I think in the. Yeah, but I think that's what. Look how nice this is. That'd be nice. I'm going to. Yeah, right now. Okay, it's worth it for some fish. No, it feels good. The river. Boom. Sick. I didn't get the catch on GoPro because we were doing freaking not that good. And then kind of a little honey hole situation. See what happens. So clear. Did you? Sick, dude. Yeah, they're tiny. They're not very big. That big one, I seen just small ones coming out. That's why I wasn't saying anything. All right, bro. Cold. But watch this. I'm about to catch a fish right up out of here. Oh, I wasn't far enough. Oh, there's a bunch of baby ones. I can see them, bro. Baby ones over here, too. Bunch of them. Oh, dude, I might have to get out here in a second. What? That cold. You know, I don't know how to explain the feeling. Burning? Kind of burns, maybe? Yeah. Oh. I didn't think it was going to be that cold. Oh, I got one, though. Yeah. Oh, no, white bass. Come on. You keep seeing him?
Oh, he's fucking bit it 10 times.
Another white bass? Sick, dude. Keep that for some fish later. Big trout, big trout, big trout, big trout. Shit! Come out, come out, come out, come out, come out. Get it, get it, get it. Hammer, 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 hammer. Got him, got him. Oh. Got a big one. I got a big one. That was so amazing. That was so amazing, dude. Holy cow. Dude, he's big. I'm not gonna fuck with him. He's big, big. Look at. He's big, big. Bro. Bro. I didn't have it on GoPro because I was facing this way and cast it down.
Oh, dude, he's fucking big.
Dude, he's big. I seen him.
Biggest one I've seen out of this river.
I've seen him. I was like, he's big, 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 big. Here. Oh, dude. Let's see it, let's see it. I need to get you on GoPro for 1 second, dude. 1 second.
That thing's fucking beautiful.
I'm not gonna unhook him yet, but bro,
that's a fucking beautiful fish. Is that the biggest one you've got out of here?
This is the biggest one because of this head right here. He's not the longest. I've caught one maybe like an inch or two longer than. He's kind of short, to be honest.
But he's got that hunch.
He's got that hunch in him. Chill for a second, because I gotta get him on a picture of him or something. I don't know on my phone. don't have a net, which is dumb. People laugh at me all the time. Oh, it's Dunzo time! Alright, here we go. Alright, here video. You gotta do it. I'll pop up my poppet socket. Just video it just like that. Here.
Ow!
Oh,
It's attacking me.
I think it's on video, is it not?
There we go. Yeah, now we're recording.
Alright, look at this fish, you guys. I'm about to...
Beautiful brown.
Dude. Super stoked.
He's
Okay, let's go for the
the
release
size
right
of your
now.
forearm, ain't he?
Oh, he just barely came on hook too. Ready for the release? Oh, so sick, dude. Woo! Down towards it, and he was running up, like he was running towards it, and he hit it like not fast. He just like walked like, oh, swallowed it. I seen him swallow. I was like, oh, you. And I have that one on GoPro. Oh, I didn't show it to the GoPro. I was too excited. Wow. That's dumb as shit. I always let the good ones go because like I'm too excited to like hold them, you know, or like.
You want him to survive?
Yeah, I'm like tripping on them. I'm geeking on that fish hardcore. I didn't get a picture of it, nothing. I did get a very, very good video. That hump on his head was what really did it. Didn't have too many brains though, I'll tell you what. How many times have we cast here?
We've been here for like 30 minutes at least.
Holy hell. My heart's still pumping a million miles an hour. Fish?
Oh, fuck.
Big one?
He took it right away, too, and then dropped it.
Oh, he hit the top, huh?
He hit it right when it dropped in the water.
That's sick, dude. You know that's a trout, 100%.
Oh, hey, big. That's a good little hole, dude.
Dude, this is juice.
Nice little honey hole.
Yeah, they just come right out there. They're all stacked up in there. The trout, so, yeah, up there. Get it. Got him. White bass, you want to catch one right there? Yeah, well, wait, it goes now. My feet aren't as bad as they were at first. At first, dude, I thought, I'm gonna have to get out of here. Oh, you gotta get it spinning. Yeah, there you go. That's how it needs to look. It wasn't spinning over him.
Damn.
There you go. Oh, that fish got back in. This white bass right here from the shore.
Got one.
Trout? No way. Trout. Bullshit. Fuck. They're in there. They're mixed in. Shit, but I could fish white bass on the river all day probably. Just a different bite, you know? Oh, he's over here. Come here, fucker. Oh, yeah. Oh, he hammered it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, like this, look. So you come from this side. Out the gills. I know it gets colder, huh? I feel like if you stay still, it's like not as cold. Here. See if I can get the release right here on the GoPro. Oh, can you see that, y'all? Fish right next to me. Sick. Look at him. Whoop.
Got another one.
White bass? Trout. That's trout. That's a brown.
Fuck yeah. That's a good fucking.
Oh, Ricky! Yeah. Put him in the water, and we'll get him out. Just wet your hand first and touch him. He's hooked. You got his ass. Yeah. Here, I got a phone so I can get a picture. Let's see right here. I gotta put my reel down though. Okay, it's down.
He fucking hit that one hard.
Oh yeah, but let's get a picture right now. Okay, let's see. Hopefully don't flip the flop. Camera. Let's see, Ricky. Look at me. Oh, freshy. Picture of the brown. Oh, the other fish jumping right there. Sick. There we go. Yeah, how to get in the water, I guess. Weird day of fishing, that's for sure. I've never seen it like this. They're all like.
How much cast is so far over here? There's one good.
It's sick when you can see it. Oh, there's a trout right there. You see the slimmer ones? There's a trout following it right now. We'll stand in this deeper water, I guess. Fish. Dude, it's kind of honestly slippery right here. It hurts my feet.
I'm on a good rock.
I'm on one right now. See, look. Check it, Rick. The other one's too close. I feel it in front right there. Yeah. No, I got one right here.
Sure you don't want this one?
Yeah, I'm good.
This is a good one.
This is a good. The follows are even cool when you can see them, huh?
Told you if I could fish, I'd be in the shade.
You did say that, didn't you? Oh, I got one. White bass though.
Oh,
Sick.
yeah. I think I'm gonna go to bed with some waders.
Me too. This is fun though. I mean, for like, this feels real good. Like now that you've been in it for a minute?
Yeah.
No? Nice.
Definitely a lot worse at first.
Oh, dude, it burned at first when I was in here. I was like, Ricky, I think I might have to get out in a second. Explain the feeling in my feet right now. I had a little trout chasing mine. Give me some more trout, please. Got something. Trout?
No.
Yeah, flipping too much to be rainbow, or for... Whoa. Whoa. Look at this fish, Ricky. I don't know what this is. Let's see. I think it's rainbow. My first rainbow on this river. It is rainbow, Ricky. Look. No, it's a brown. What do you think?
I think I'm fucking tangled in it. Might be a rainbow again.
Oh.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Damn, bro. I'm sorry, fish. Hope I can get it out. Oh, I did. Easy. Alright. Hold this for a second, Ricky. I'm trying to get this release on this GoPro. This fish. Oh, there we go. Sick.
Hold that for a second.
Yeah.